My name is Marvin Baltnight. I'm the Director for Discovery Place Nature, and I've had the pleasure of working with Crown for the last few years in my role here at the museum. Both of our organizations are dedicated to preserving and conserving our natural resources, and the importance of that role and that mission for Charlotte shouldn't be underestimated. It's fantastic to go outside and see birds and to hear birds and to see animals and wildlife and trees. And that's the intrinsic value that we have in nature, but it's also extremely important to remember that it has an economical value for us as well. We think it's important because it's crucial to our health, it's crucial to our well-being, and it's also crucial to our children. We feel that working together with the programs that we both offer, with the educational opportunities that we provide, and also with the opportunities for volunteers to get involved with this important mission, is paramount to not only just our environment, but also the health and well-being of Charlotte as a city. We invite any opportunity here at the Nature Museum for folks to come and see us and learn about native species, wildlife, our animals. Come learn a little something about our programs that we do, which focus on a lot of our native wildlife. And then we also kind of challenge you to see how you can make a difference. And by making a difference, you can do that with many of the organizations around Charlotte, but mostly with Crown and Discovery Place Nature. We have volunteer opportunities, and we have opportunities for you to come and get involved and make a difference in our environment. So we appreciate the opportunity to work with Crown. We're honored to be partnering and collaborating with them on many opportunities, and we look forward to a big future with helping Charlotte enjoy our natural resources.